Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the earbuds and environment. Charge them to a minimum and make sure Bluetooth on your phone is off to avoid automatic reconnection. Once ready, power off the earbuds and place both into the charging case with the lid open. Next, press and hold the left and right touch controls or physical buttons simultaneously for at least 7 seconds. You'll see the indicator flash or hear a tone. This step forces the WF-SP700N into pairing/reset mode, so you can proceed cleanly. Once the earbuds are in pairing mode, perform the factory reset by continuing to hold the controls until you observe the alternating red and blue light or hear the reset confirmation tone. This usually takes several seconds. After that, open the Sony Headphones Connect app if you use it, and remove the WF-SP700N from the app's device list to avoid lingering settings. Also go to your phone's Bluetooth menu and forget or remove the WF-SP700N entry, clearing both app and OS. Now, re-enable Bluetooth on your phone and pair the WF-SP700N as a new device using standard pairing steps. Select the earbuds from the available devices list and confirm connection. Once connected, test audio, microphone, and noise features. Make sure both earbuds produce sound and sync properly. If one ear is silent or functions remain wrong, restart the phone and repeat pairing. Troubleshooting tip: if the reset didn't take, fully drain the case and earbuds, charge them for 30 minutes, then repeat the factory reset process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.